So we're going to start with 1 cup of flour. We're going to do about a pinch of salt, or about 1/4 teaspoon. And then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Since I'm not using yeast in this recipe, baking powder is going to help the bagels rise in the air fryer. And then I'm going to use about 8 ounces of sour cream after I mix together all the dry ingredients. And then you're going to start kneading this. So this mixture is incredibly sticky. So do not be discouraged or think you're doing something wrong if it seems dry at first and all of a sudden it's really sticky and wet. It's supposed to be that way. Do not freak out. I promise it'll be okay. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to knead it too much, because then you're going to end up with a tough bagel. So you're going to put it onto a flour surface, do some light kneading just to get it kind of where you need it to be at, and then pat it down into almost a circle shape. After you patted it down, we're going to go ahead and get our tools out that we're going to need for this. So I'm going to be using a pizza cutter, a rolling pin, and a butter knife. Now you're going to go ahead and cut this into as close as you can 4 equal sized parts. Now, while this is also going on, I preheated my air fryer to the temp that we're going to be cooking at, which is about 330 degrees. Once you get your portion together, I try to roll it into itself just to kind of give it more of a rounder shape. And it's going to be a struggle. Don't fight it. It's okay, because we're going to be using a rolling pin later on. You're going to go ahead and flour down the dowel on the rolling pin, and you're going to we're not looking to get these really smushed or flat. We're looking to have them be about at least 1/4 inch of thickness. So we're just mostly getting it down to make it a little easier to shape out. Perfect. Now, we're going to use a butter knife to start the hole and kind of wiggle it around. You can also put a little flour on it as well. I did that to get it started, and then I'm going to use my fingers to continue to shape it along once I get it to about the size I want before picking it up. Then you're going to brush these down, the tops of them with oil, and then you're going to put some oil on the bottom of the air fryer basket. Or if you have parchment paper that is safe for high temperatures, you can use that as well. And that's just to prevent the bagels from sticking to the pan. After you do that, I have a basket that fits about 2. Fry them in batches of 10 at 330 for 10 minutes in the air fryer. You don't need to flip. The air fryer is going to do all the work for you. And this is how they turn out. I'll see you in the next video, and make sure you enter in for that subscribers giveaway.